Welcome to Cooking the Rounds channel. Welcome, welcome. Do I have a surprise for you? Another one of my favorite. What is it? Indian chicken korma. Now, when it comes to Indian food, I like it. Now, I'm not Indian, so I don't really have that mother's touch to do it, but I try to follow my recipes to come as close as possible. Now, you have to try this recipe and then figure it out for yourself if it's not close to the original. So, let's get going. Alright, let's start with a deep dish pan. Let's add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and get the heat up to medium high. Here I have 2 chicken breasts. Of course, they're boneless. You can use thighs if you want and add that to the pan. Okay, let's fry them up. Keep on stirring them. Don't worry if it sticks a little bit to the bottom. It just gives you flavor. And keep on moving the pieces around so they can cook evenly. Okay, you can see that I'm almost done here. Now you don't have to cook until it's completely brown because we're still going to do another process. Now, when it reaches this point, slightly brown, I want you to remove all the chicken into another container just like this. Now let's add 1 large onion, and what I'd like you to do now is reduce the heat down to medium so we can work with the ingredients. Add about 3 garlic minced cloves, or a little bit more if you would like, and about 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger. And now we just let this go for about a minute just to warm up the garlic and the ginger. And now let's get those juices from the bottom. Let's add 1 cup of water. Now I'm adding half a cube of chicken stock, and this chicken stock already contains some salt. I'm not adding any more salt because the spices and the herbs are going to make this dish really flavorful, so you do not require too much salt. Now, keeping the temperature on the medium, it will come up to a boil. I want you to add some fresh black pepper. And how much do you add? Well, add as much as you want. Okay, here comes the goodie. Here comes authentic Indian spices. Now, what they are, there's 6 of them. Please don't make me recite this on the video because there's too much and I don't have time. So please look in the description. It will be written nicely down there for you to see. Now, to make this dish rich, let's add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now let's take that tomato paste and blend it all in, stirring it nicely around, getting all the juices from the bottom and making this one wonderful dish. And now here comes the smoothness. Let's add 2/3 cup of heavy cream. Now, heavy cream depends on how strong you want this cream. Mine here is 12%. Now, keeping it on medium heat still, let's stir it around very, very gently, just like this for a couple of minutes. And now let's take those chicken pieces and return them right back to the pan. I'm sorry for the intrusion of the camera on the left side, but at the same time I'm doing this, I'm going live on my Facebook account. Now this is the moment. You must taste it and make it your own. For me, I want to add a little bit more cream. And if you do add cream, you know that you're going to have to spend an extra 2-3 minutes cooking the dish. Well, here it is. It is done. This is absolutely awesome. Now I have a little extra sauce. And why do I like extra sauce? Because it goes perfectly with the rice. The rice just sucks it in. So, we came to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.